Well, I was having some pain and stuff, and realized that maybe it was dental. And so I looked up online to see a place that I might, get just some cleaning and stuff done. And that's when I came in here and did x-rays and all of that. And I found that I did have infection all over.
So Diane is an elderly patient. She came to us with multiple failing teeth. Her main issue was that as her teeth are hurting, she couldn't enjoy her food. Okay, so we sat down, took a CBCT, we looked at everything else, and then I asked Diane, if you are interested in enjoying your food, you basically won't be a good candidate for traditional dentures. So we talked about implant options, and Diane chose to have an implant denture done.
After I came in the first time and found out that I needed work and needed to see a surgeon, I came in, saw Dr. Dhawan, and he looked over all the x-rays and different things and told me that I needed pretty much to have all of my teeth taken out.
We took our time, we went slowly, we took couple of teeth, placed the implant, took couple of teeth, and in the end we got it done. And Diane is so happy that at least those teeth don't hurt. She has teeth with which she can smile with, can eat her food, even though she's still in temporary, she's still in the healing phase. But I am so happy that even though it took us time, we are able to deliver such a good result.
Since I've had the work done and the teeth removed, my health has improved, and I'm feeling a lot better, and I'm looking forward to the future of having a full mouthful of teeth and being able to eat foods that I have been in the past, being able to chew and smile, be able to have a good smile.